another one. The words of DJ Khaled. Here's another flower. I think this is the 6th one that this Domino Cactus gives me. These do last only one day. After they open up, they close and then they die. This shrivels up, and then you can either take it off yourself or you can just let it drop. I think the most that it has had at one time was like 3 different ones. So yeah, look at this beauty. Ooh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I really thought it was over at one point because this was starting to get really, it was starting to get very squat. What's the word? It was looking like it was dried up, but then it started giving me this flower, so I'm happy. You guys, can you believe I didn't catch this one? It already closed and it's shriveled up. So you can see here, it's already shriveled up, so I cannot believe I didn't catch it because the previous clip I filmed yesterday around the afternoon, so I didn't think it would open that much. I think it still had, I thought it still had like some more time to like grow and open, but I guess it opened sometime in the evening and then now it's just gone. So I'm gonna let it shrivel up a little more and then just let it fall off, or I'll probably take it off myself. So either way, this will probably give me a few more blooms. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.